Hi students, this is just to explain to you a little better what quantifiers are. Sorry to use a PDF, but I had some problems with my PowerPoint presentation. All right, so let me at least visualize it in a decent way. All right, so quantifiers express a quantity, okay? So let's start, with qualche, how you say qualche in English, followed by nouns, of course. Well, that depends. It depends if the sentence is positive or negative and interrogative. So if the sentence is positive, we use some. Some is okay, both with countable and uncountable nouns. So have a look at the example. I eat some rusks with marmalade for breakfast. Mangio delle fette biscottate con la marmellata per colazione. I drink some milk or coffee. Bevo del caffè o del latte o del caffè. So rusks is countable and it's plural. Milk and coffee are uncountable and they're singular. As you can see, you can use some with both of them. It's okay. It's perfectly okay. Now, any, meaning qualche, is used both in negative and in questions, okay? And it's okay with countable and uncountable nouns. Let's have a look at the example. I don't want any sugar in my tea. Non voglio dello zucchero nel mio tè. Sugar is uncountable. The sentence is negative. So you can't say, I don't want some sugar. I don't want any sugar. Second sentence, do you eat any biscuits for breakfast? I forgot to put for. Quindi mangi dei biscotti a colazione. Biscuits is plural. Okay, so it's a countable noun. This is a question, so we need to put any. Okay, right. Let's go on. Now let's have a look at how you say quanto in English. Once again, that depends. It depends if the noun is uncountable or countable. In the case of uncountable nouns, you use how much. How much pasta do you eat at lunch? 2 dishes when I'm not very hungry. Okay? How much pasta? Pasta is not countable. You don't normally count spaghetti, do you? No, not really. Okay, so you use how much. How many? You use how many, of course, with countable nouns. For example, how many eggs did you use for your carbonara? 1 egg per person, a very light carbonara. Okay, so eggs is plural, so it's countable, and we use how many. Let's go on. Tanto. How do you say tanto or tanti, tante, tanta? So we are lucky because we can use a lot of or lots of in any case. So with countable and uncountable nouns, and in all types of sentences, affirmative, negative, interrogative. A lot of, lots of is always okay. Have a look at the example. I eat a lot of fruit. Fruit is uncountable. Sentence is positive. I don't eat a lot of fish. Fish is uncountable. Then the sentence is negative. Do you eat a lot of veggies? This sentence is interrogative and veggies is plural. Okay, so it's countable. As you can see, I've always used a lot of, a lot of, a lot of. You can use also lots of. I eat lots of fruit, lots of fish, lots of veggies. It's absolutely the same thing. But we also have, much and many. So when do we use much and many, and what do they mean? Well, they mean tanto and tanti, but we use much only with uncountable nouns, and many only with countable nouns. However, much and many are generally found in negative and interrogative sentences. Okay, so it's not very common to find them in affirmative sentences. You can find them, but it's rare, okay? And it's a bit formal also. So have a look at this. I never put much salt in my salad. The sentence is negative because you have never, and you use much with salt, which is uncountable. Of course, you can say, I never put a lot of salt in my salad. That's perfectly okay. Many. Did you eat many biscuits this morning? Biscuits is plural. Okay, so it's a countable noun. So did you eat many biscuits? And of course, you can say, did you eat a lot of biscuits or lots of biscuits? That's okay. Okay. I'm sorry, the numbers are just random. I forgot to change them. Forgive me, because I deleted some slides, okay, and I forgot to change the numbers. Anyway, un po' di. How you say un po' di? Well, in English, once again, you distinguish between uncountable nouns and countable nouns. You use a little with uncountable nouns and a few with countable nouns. Please notice one thing. In Italian, we say un po' di. In English, we don't say a little of or a few of. No, we simply say a little plus noun, a few plus noun. Have a look at the example. There's a little ham in the fridge and a few beers, which doesn't mean c'è un piccolo prosciutto nel frigo. It means c'è un po' di prosciutto nel frigo e un po' di birre. Beers is plural, as you can see, so it's countable. A few. Ham is singular, it's uncountable, so you use a little. Okay, guys, I hope it was clear, and have a very happy Easter. Even if you're at home and you can't see anybody, at least you're with your family. Have a very good barbecue in your garden. Eat a lot of eggs, okay? And see you very soon next week. Bye-bye.